I botched my home renovation again. The switch panels in my hallway are two different colors. There's a champagne gold smart outlet and a gray standard outlet, along with a slightly protruding central air conditioning control panel. They look fine individually, but together they are quite an eyesore. I wanted to implement a whole house smart system, so it's crucial to have well-designed planning for the installation of outlet panels. So how should one choose? First, consider the functionality, controlling lights, curtains, air conditioning, etc. It's very practical. I plan to replace all these with COBTEL Smart Switch series. These smart scene switches, temperature controllers, and dimmer switch combinations offer plenty of control methods, including push buttons, mobile app, voice command, scene interactivity, as well as remote control and timer settings. All are very convenient. Next, consider the appearance. The color must be uniform. For a single renovation project, the panels and sockets can only come in one color. If you can't match the whole house within the same color range, then decisively switch to these two colors. The corner details are the same, which gives a better sense of unity. Now, about the air conditioning panel, the standard thickness is roughly 1.5 centimeters, sticking out a lot from the wall. However, COBTEL's smart thermostat has the same thickness as their panels, which is less than 1 centimeter, and it can replace the original central air conditioning panel to match the home's switch design language. If you're afraid of uneven installation, do as I did. Mount multiple panels on an invisible joint backing plate. Look at the effect, isn't it neat and uniform? So you really need to plan these details before you start your renovation to prevent having to replace everything less than 2 months after moving in, like I had to do.